Hello students, good morning. Today we will see about what do you mean by output devices. Okay. Generally these output devices are one of the hardware equipment, okay, which convert our information into human readable form. Okay. Readable form means we can see the output like text, graphics, video, audio, etc. I am explaining in this video some of the output devices we are using daily. We will see one by one with picture and explanation. Okay. First output devices, monitor. Everybody knows what is monitor. Okay, this is one of the output devices. Okay, it displays videos, text, etc. Okay, we are seeing the output through this monitor. This monitor helps to show the information in a pictorial form. Okay, picture form. Monitor is also called a screen or a visual display unit. Okay, next output devices we are going to see headphones. Nowadays all of you have headphones, right? So this is the picture. If you don't see before headphone, see, this is the picture of headphones. I hope all of you see the headphones. Okay, this headphone is also known as earphones. Okay, so these headphones is one of the hardware. It is a one of the type of output devices. Okay, so when you are using the headphones, it will not disturb others. Okay, because the audio only listen by you. If you are using the computer, when you are connecting the headphone into the computer, the audio is not going out. Okay, so others will not disturb. Next output devices of computer is speaker. We all know what is the function of speaker, and we all see the speaker. The speaker are of in different sizes and different styles. Okay, the speakers are convert the electromagnetic waves into the sound waves. Okay, this speaker helps to receive the audios from the computer and it gives an audio to us. Okay, nowadays all of you have this speaker in our home. For home theaters we are using this speaker for hearing digital sound. Okay, next one, projector. So this is one of the hardware component of computer. A projector is one of the hardware devices. Okay, I already told you. So this projector helps to project or shows the images into a big screen. Okay, big white screen, or we can say a wall. Okay, it shows and images and everything in a large surface, which will help to while making presentations. Okay, when big groups are there in front of the speaker, that time the speakers are using this projector for explaining his presentation in an understandable manner. Okay, see, in the projector you can see the blue light. Okay, so the blue light is called Blu-ray player. Okay, it reproduce what is there in the computer, to reproduce it and showing into the wall or screen. It is very useful to the audience. While there are so many group of audience, it is very helpful for understanding the presentations. Next output devices of computer is plotter. So see, this is the plotter image. This plotter is one of the hardware component of computer. Okay, this plotter is connected with the computer through USB or any connecting device. This plotter is used for printing purpose, okay, but the printing in plotter means it is used to print for vector graphics, okay. In the plotter, there are large size of paper is used for printing for the purpose of high resolution result, okay. By using this plotter, we can print plywood, aluminum sheet, steel, cardboard and plastic. We can print by using these items. Also, so this plotter is used for taking the information from the computer and it translates the information into the pictorial form by using the papers, okay. This plotter is also called roller plotter. While the plotter rolling, the ink pen moves from left and right. By combining these two direction, I mean left to right, the lines can be drawn or the lines are created, okay. So the ink is used for making draw in the picture or a cardboard sheet or plastic, anything, okay.